Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to pay for something but didn't have the cash or a card on you? Or maybe you're just looking for a way to save money on your everyday purchases. If so, then FavePay is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we're going to talk about all the different rewards that you can earn by using FavePay. We'll also discuss how to sign up for FavePay and how to start earning rewards right away. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. FavePay is a mobile payment app that allows you to pay for goods and services using your smartphone. You can use FavePay to make purchases at over 10,000 merchants nationwide. How does FavePay work? To use FavePay, you simply need to download the app and create an account. Once you've done that, you can add your credit or debit card to your FavePay wallet. To make a purchase, simply open the FavePay app and scan the QR code at the checkout counter. You can also pay for items using the FavePay app by entering the merchant's name and order number. What are the rewards of using FavePay? There are a number of rewards that you can earn by using FavePay. These include cashback. You can earn up to 5% cashback on your purchases. Points. You can earn points that can be redeemed for discounts on future purchases. Exclusive deals. You can get access to exclusive deals and discounts from FavePay partners. Free shipping. You can get free shipping on your online orders. How to sign up for FavePay? Signing up for FavePay is easy. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, create an account and add your credit or debit card. How to start earning rewards? Once you've signed up for FavePay, you can start earning rewards right away. Simply use your FavePay app to make purchases at participating merchants. Additional tips for earning rewards with FavePay. Link your FavePay account to your loyalty programs. This will allow you to earn points and rewards from both programs. Use the FavePay app to find deals and discounts. Refer your friends and family to FavePay. You'll earn a reward for each friend who signs up and makes a purchase. FavePay is a great way to save money on your everyday purchases. With FavePay, you can earn cashback, points, and exclusive deals. If you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend signing up for FavePay today. If you're interested in learning more about FavePay, please visit our website or download the app today. With that, thanks for watching.